Hello my friends, Earth versus Mankind for weather and disasters news. In Al-Mudhaibi, Oman, severe floods caused significant damage due to heavy rains. Many cars were swept away and numerous homes were affected, displacing families who now need help. The local school also faced flooding, disrupting education. People had to move to higher grounds as water levels rose dangerously in Wadi Samad Al-Shan. Emergency teams and volunteers worked hard to rescue people and provide aid. Evacuation orders were issued, emphasizing safety for residents. Now, the community of Al-Mudhaibi must focus on rebuilding and recovering from this natural disaster. At the end of this video, thank you very much for watching it, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more weather and disasters news.